Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making decisions that save time later. Create the repo with a precise name and short description, then add git ignore and a license so contributors know rules. Once done, initialize README. MD with purpose, quick install steps, and one example usage. This helps others run your code fast. Make sure to add meaningful topics and a default branch name. Commit these files in one focus change so your repository starts clean and discoverable. Next, structure the project so contributors don't guess where things live. SRC, docs, tests, and examples, each with a brief README. Then set up continuous integration to run tests, linting, and builds on pull requests. This prevents regressions and enforces standards. Also add contributing. MD and code of conduct so reviewers know the process. Once those are in place, create a simple issue and a small pull request to verify the full workflow works end-to-end. To finish, polish documentation and release processes so users can adopt your project confidently. Maintain release notes and tag versions using semantic versioning like 1, 2, 0. Automate releases and docs with CI. Make sure README links to docs and examples. Finally, set branch protection and review rules so merges stay safe. If things go wrong, reproduce the issue locally, inspect CI logs for errors, and use git bisect to find the offending commit. That sequence usually pinpoints the problem fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.